I, Sabasti Dutta, on behalf of ITL Public School, render a warm and cordial welcome to all on the very first day of Class 11, 2021-22.
Have SMART goal. SMART goal means very, very small, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time-bound goal. Learn something. I mean, this is a crisis. This is a challenging period going on, but every crisis gives us opportunity. Take gratitude, be humble, be kind, do something constructive, do something for others. Then intently you will get satisfaction. You will be very happy from within. Going on, it's an opportunity for us also. So many of you have utilized that time period to learn a new skill, isn't it? To create happiness around you, to spend more time with your grandparents or lending a helping hand to your parents, which otherwise you would not have done maybe. So this is providing you some kind of opportunity. So grab it, make most out of it.
Children, orientation programs are not organized for giving insight to students about careers, possible opportunities after doing a particular subject, but they're aimed at personality development, character development, and empowering students with appropriate life skills. Leaders are not followers, children. Leaders are those who inspire. Children, you'll be very happy to know that we have a very well-devised, very well-developed peer educator program which is going on in the school. And we have selected role models from the student community who conduct interactive programs which are aimed to help the fellow students for personality development, life skills, and other similar spheres of life. There are 3 C's which are very, very important for all of us to understand: control, commitment, and challenge.
My dear students, what do you see on this slide? He's just holding a chair and he feels that the chair is so strong that it will not let him move. It is about 88 kilometers per hour that an average horse can move. And see the irony, this horse is moving 0 kilometers per hour because he feels he's tied up. And that's what most of us undergo in our life. And this is the time, kill all the fears.
So dear children, here is an unprecedented situation right now that we are seeing today amidst the pandemic. The times are tougher, but as you are saying, we are also tough. Let's not get demotivated by anything, and we must continue to learn, continue to excel, use your time wisely, use a planner, track your work, create a routine, organize your books, organize your notes, organize your stationery, and do not delay things. Do not avoid, do not procrastinate. Make a study group of yourself, take a break, avoid stress.
It's very important to strike a balance between being there for others, especially your immediate family, but not just them. And on the other hand, focusing on yourself, your physical as well as mental health. So how focusing on part 1 first, how can you help others? How can you be there for your family? Or spend time with them, talk to them. Times are tough. You don't have to go outside. You guys are very young. You don't have to donate money. You don't have to contribute monetarily. You can give in the hours. You can give in the efforts. Staying at your home. It can be as simple as creating awareness among other people. Focus on, pursuing your hobbies, sitting at home, taking up things which you like doing. It could be reading a book. It could be participating in various events or events that the school might end up organizing virtually. It's very, very important to be appreciative of others, especially, your family, your parents, your teachers. During these times, they keep you in a very, very protected environment through different ways. And it's important to recognize that, be empathetic to everyone, because you don't know what someone is going through.
I believe that this idea, this notion that we are confined, we are making ourselves believe that. I mean, we actually are confined in a 4x4 room. As you can see, it's a very small room. But what I believe is our aspirations should not be confined to a 4x4 room, even if we are. Find that groove that you want. It's not just academically that you prosper co-curricular, prosper for what you believe in, prosper for what you love, what your passion is.
While we all are confined within the four walls of our house, and the chaos and commotion in the world outside is increasing by leaps and bounds, entering into a new class, a new phase of life has surely saved our beacons from this monotonous ambience. I feel elated and blissful as I embark on a new journey of learning, and I'm surely looking forward to connect with my teachers and classmates virtually.
Let me take this opportunity to express my gratitude to the teachers, the dear teachers that have lent us their guiding hand through these unprecedented times, for them as well and for us. And I must say that I'm really moved and touched by the teachers' perseverance and patience in holding and running these online classes with us.